Typical diesel heater is leaking underneath. I think the pipe has deteriorated. Luckily it's not inside the van. I've got a new kit with the correct pipe, so hopefully this shouldn't be too difficult. I've tried to block off the flow of diesel. Just my luck, I filled up the tank yesterday and I think I've lost all of that nearly, so that's a hell of a lot. Let's give it a go anyway. Right, I don't know how this is going to pan out because I haven't got any proper tools, so I'm just going to wing it, and if not, I can't do this, just have to let it all piss out. See if I can get this bug off. I might just cut it, get a scissors. I've got a knife. Oh, there goes nothing. A little bit diesel. No, it worked, no diesel, brilliant. Right, absolute caked in diesel. Right, how do I get that off? If I can remember. Like that. Looks like that's up there is leaking as well, is it? I don't know. Hopefully it's not. If it's not, that's brilliant. Oh, move the camera around a bit to speed it up there. Oh, bloody hell. No, that's fine, that's brilliant. Hopefully this isn't damaged this bit. And maybe it was just leaking from here. Not sure what to do. So I'll think about it. Right, I bought this kit online and I've got these and these. Much better, and this is apparently the proper tubing, so I'm going to connect it to there for now, hopefully down through there, and then do this bit later when this is empty, but hopefully I can get that done with this. So let's have a laugh. I'll bring you back when I've got it on. Got it. Oh, worked. Brilliant. Guess that goes on there. As I said, not professional, first time and all that. Do that one up. Oh, this is easy. Easy peasy. He says that until it starts leaking. Nice and tight. Ooh, bit rude. Pull the old one out. Oh, diesel everywhere. Thanks for that. Right. Now, I'll run this tube down through here because I don't know how long it's going to be. Just get, no, I can't get it through. No, straight in. There. Cut it to length. Right. Going the wrong way? Does it matter? No. Probably only see my arm. Right, hopefully success. Let's go under the van again. Right, here we go again with all the wrong tools. Bring that down there. Don't want it around the heater. God's sake. That's going to go like that, so I reckon about there, maybe. I'm probably doing it wrong. Someone will probably tell me if I am, if anybody watches it. And we need our rubber thing in there. Looks alright, I think. 2-1. Oh, that one's got no, it's lost his screw. Let's get another one. Oh, I found the screw, but I'll do it later. Right. Put that on. Put that to there. Lovely, that goes on. Lovely, will be fit. Right, screwdriver. This fella, get in there. That's it. Right, in a minute I'm going to test it, turn it on, see if it gets any leaks. If it doesn't, that's great. And then if it leaks up here, up there, I'll have to take that out. I'm hoping I'm going to get away with that. That's going to be hung up there, and then I'll put this little pink thing on to help keep the noise down and hold it up. So let's give that a go. Right, I'm going to take a bit of a gamble here, and I'm going to put this on, and I'm going to do it really quick, so hopefully I don't get an absolute ton of diesel all over the place. I shouldn't do, should be alright, so he says. Not that I've ever done it before, so let's give it a go. I'll get this bugger off. There you go, there's that much coming out, a little bit. Brilliant, right, let's whack this on. Get some whack, get on there, brilliant. Right, there you go, that's this is the one. Let's see how messy this is going to be. Oh, better put that on first. Like that. Right. Oh, that's Kev. Morning, Kev. Yeah, that was a right mess. That's right though, it's done. That's the main thing, it's done. A stinky van, but it's done. Let's tighten up and say morning to Kev. Right, success, it's all working. No leaks that I can see yet. Underneath the van, if I don't bash my head again and knock myself out. No leaks there that I can see. Just going to keep an eye on this one. That one there. You can see it, I can't see it. That one there, if that leaks, but I don't think it will. I'm going to put this up at an angle again with the pink sleeve on. And then that's brilliant. It took 2 times to turn it on for it to actually pump the fuel back round. So it's gone really well, really chuffed. Have a good clean up now. That's probably the end of the video. Cheers, bye.